yesterday, I shared about the writing tips for 1 word, 2 words, 3 words, something like that to generate the content. So let me show you the process. It's like if I let this keyword, this is my focus keyword. Let's do this because this is one I want to write about in the website. So I want to read and write something about that, but for this moment I don't want to read about because there will be distraction when you read people's article, and then it is limiting your mind, and you might want to do it after you finish your article. So let's try. Firstly, maybe target the United States English desktop. Okay. And then let's find the. No, I want to tell you we have to go for the V2 version. And let's, for this moment, I need to do a block headlines. Headline. Where's it? Maybe. Okay, here. By the way, this is already generating some kind of keywords. It's so-called TF-IDF, something like that. But it is simple because many people calling it something like semantic keywords, semantic latent, something like that. This just reverse analysis for the top 10, like it is doing the maybe in this one, this is the top 10. So it is medium, okay, and the shine app, okay. So we'll see something like that, and unique is already okay. This is the kind of content that I want to create. So let's find a headline for this content. Benefits. The character might for more productive. So I want to keep this keyword in the headline. So this one will be good. So let's try how to start practicing mental minimalism, and then we are waiting for this kind of content, and at the same time we would love to select some kind of related keywords to the content. And okay, it is finished. So let's yes, it's just a little from okay. Then we go to the top difficulty check. So one word, I will record this like this is one, all right. So we should be paying attention for the top 100. Let's say this one, 100, 101. This is the first 100. Okay. Input it. And let's say, is there something already here? If sometimes I would just delete this because it is making rooms for the next round to generate. So another 1, 2. We have 1, 2, 3. Okay. So the second, I would love to. Oh, it's like maybe this time we have 100. It will be 30, 30, maybe 15, 15, because it has some kind of limitation for this. So for now, we just input the 15. Okay. And then we just block outlines. So we can see there will be more keywords to be included, right? This is the trick, because if we don't input this kind of keyword in this keyword assistant, there won't be that much. I tested it before because I used the same topic and the same outline headline. Use the same headline to generate the outline. The first time I didn't input those keywords, and the second time I input those keywords, and let's say the outlines are totally different, and it's forcing the outline to carry those keywords, especially the single keywords, and even for some two words keyword like this one. So I would love it because I am the people there. I don't want to do a lot of before I had teach people about adding one by one from this interface, but now we don't need to do it. So to find out, let's maybe just delete all of those to check each step what will be included in the list. So now I didn't select anything, so just do it. And let's say those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is just potential choices for this content because it is related. So when I lack of something, or maybe this kind of a quantity, it is not that good, I would love to use one of those to beat the extra outline to, generate more keywords. Sometimes people, yes, they ask me that you have to write above 800, 1000, something like that. 1000, yes, like a 2000, something like that. But I think because I want to say 100, because sometimes it generates just like 100. So I want to like each outline with 100, 200, something like that. You can keep this in mind when you are doing the AI writing. This calculated by 100, right? So each outline maybe this one how many 100. And I am now testing some kind of outline. They can generate more content if we are doing in the right way. I am still studying. So yeah, this is the content. Yeah, and then here's 4 ways to start. Okay, why declutter? How to start? I think this part belongs to here. Okay. And people are saying that if you really want to outline, mark the outline first or maybe later. For now, I would love to do it later because if I do here, it is always causing some chaos. I don't know. Some easy way to start. Alright, so I always like this kind of content. I always place it here, and then now we can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, we are getting 14. So, and yeah, some easy way. It belongs to here. It is something like that. This is a longer form. This is simple. I think we can do it list it like this and then later destroy one by one. But I'm not showing you to the whole process. I just want to show you the writing technology I am applying, and then you can practice by yourself. That's quite enough. And for the next one will be like this, alright? And my opinion that this kind of content is like it's like within this part how to start, right? This should be a major, so maybe this kind of content is belong to this part. It's like a maybe it is like an H3. Okay, that's like H3, and then this one is also H3, and then let's try again. Yes, this is why I'm mentioning this is a chaos. If we want to write without any fix, we don't need to make the outline first. We just like leave it there and then do it later. Saying no to commitment. So the next step I would love to now seems like we need to input more 2 keywords into this part. 2 keywords, ladies and gentlemen, all of them, maybe, should be okay. Wordhero, okay. If it is showing the last one here, it is alright, everyone is here. And sometimes it's already here, it's already included. Okay, then let's try it again. Now it's 500. I want to make it above 1000, something like that, 5 minutes read. So again, let's try the bullet lucky. Try the lucky icon and then yes. So it's another I2, H2, H3, sorry. Okay. So maybe, and for the record, lately I am getting used to this kind of method that I just do the conclusion with this lucky icon. Sometimes it's generating a good conclusion, sometimes not. Okay, now it's not. Right. But we can always play it, right? And just put it here, and later we find the kind of method to do it. And let's try the intros. Okay, looks like so it is applied. Ooh, this one is fine. Okay. And then here we can see so let's remove those. It's already used, and then we don't want to see it again. But this time this content is almost done, right? So it's already 800. Kind of finish if you just rush this content and fix this kind of things, right? So or maybe what's wrong about this? This should be above here, right? And never mind. Allow me to fix it later and after the screen start. Okay, so let's generate this again because it's not that good, and we want to add some free keywords. Try 50. Do this first. The last one, journey towards mental. I think we don't need this kind of. Okay, sorry. Subscribe to minimalism. No, I don't want this. Preferred items. Maybe, maybe not. It's like it's generating the same bullet points again. Now we have to like we have to use the tools. For this, now it's like something like it is automatically input some keywords. This feature in this blog paragraph. So let's try it. Never mind. So let's mark down here like this is the definition. Maybe we can apply them together. So I will just mark down with the colors, and then later I will find if can be joining together this kind of expressions, and yeah, something like that. And almost this kind of content is done like this one, and then I will like somewhere I need to fix. Maybe I will just include those contents, and if I can find some kind of this content is important, maybe I will just like select it and improve those contents. But for now, I think I would love to use this kind of technology, like how is okay. It's already 27.96. We are half optimized with this, so we can easily arrange those like input those into the content, and some kind of like this just reminding ourselves, okay, this kind of words I'm important, and then we go back here and select some kind of keywords, or maybe just let's say if such as like let's pretend that letting go of preferred is important for the minimalism for mental minimalism. The keywords can go here like habits, alright? Habits. Habits arranged. Something like this, so then we'll be sorry. Rap, yeah, I missed that, okay. Yes, this kind of content is already there, and then later we can see this kind of content we will generate and include them together one by one, more and more, and this is the method. And maybe for now let's try 29, okay, more and more, and then this is the way. So let's say this is the method I am using, and it's much easier because in before when we will have to switch those like this one is for what part of this, and then if you want to input a lot of contents together, a long list of keywords to generate the content, and maybe it's very stressful work to do. And for now, we just relax, and then okay, we just live first, and then later we use other tools to monitor and maybe edit it this in this way. So generally, and I think this method is creating more content and improving the content performance. I think the recent articles were a little, I think it's getting indexed and ranked faster. Maybe I should test it more. Maybe use another websites, another industries, or like different niches to test. Anyway, thank you. I also go to sleep for this work. And if you like it, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thank you.